Hey everyone, let's take a journey through the charming streets of Switzerland. Imagine waking up to the crisp mountain air, the gentle chime of church bells, and the distant sound of a cowbell. This is what mornings are like in Switzerland, pure magic. Now, as the sun rises, the streets come alive. Picture yourself walking through cobblestone pathways, flanked by colorful houses adorned with blooming flowers. You'll find locals sipping on their morning coffee at quaint cafes, exchanging warm greetings in a mix of German, French, and Italian. Next, let's head to the local markets. The aroma of freshly baked bread, the vibrant colors of Swiss cheese, and the sight of handmade crafts will captivate your senses. Here you'll meet artisans who pour their heart into every piece they create. It's a testament to the Swiss love for quality and tradition. Afternoons in Switzerland are perfect for a leisurely stroll by the lakes. Picture Lake Geneva or Lake Lucerne, with their crystal clear waters reflecting the stunning Alps. You'll see families picnicking, children feeding swans, and couples enjoying boat rides. It's a scene straight out of a postcard. As the day winds down, the streets take on a different charm. Lantern-lit alleys and cozy restaurants invite you in. Try a traditional Swiss fondue or some raclette, and don't forget to top it off with a piece of decadent Swiss chocolate. Ending the day, you'll find yourself in the heart of the town square, where local musicians play melodies that echo through the night. It's a moment to pause and reflect on the beauty of simple, everyday life in Switzerland. So, next time you think of a travel destination, remember the streets of Switzerland are waiting to tell you their story. Until next time, keep exploring.